Welcome to Elsie's channel. Channel. Well, my good name is Elsie here, and of course, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for liking, commenting, sharing my videos with all your other friends. I really appreciate. So as you're seeing the title of the video, yes, today we are doing pancakes, the way Ugandans do them. I realized that way we do pancakes is not the way other people do them. So let's get started. The first thing is washing my hands so that I make very nice recipes for my family. You can do this. So of course after doing all that, then you're going to peel your bananas. So of course I've just put this just in case, but these are the bananas I've used. I put this one just in case, and the more ripe, the more sweet the pancakes are going to be. So these are not so ripe, but of course they are going to be sweet. So let's go to another step. So I'm not going to show you measurements that do this or this, but you put in enough. When you put in a lot of bananas, then the flour will have to be a lot. So it depends. Let's first use that. So I had forgotten to put this bicarbonate, but it helps. It works like baking powder, but still we are still in the early stages. We can still put it. The Ugandan, I'm not going to, just going to put it around, but of course not a lot of it. I think this is enough. When you put in a lot, then it's going to be sour in your mouth. So you see what I told you? So we still need some flour. The more the bananas, the more the flour. So we are adding some flour. The good thing with this is that you can it's not going to stick on your hands even though you don't put oil. So you just make sure that it is together and it's not like breaking. So this step is done. Of course now don't mind the sound in the background. It's clean. Yes. So of course now after you have to do this. What is this called? Rolling? Like as if you're rolling the chapati. And then you need to be with anything that is in a circular form. Okay, it depends on how the pans you want them, but in Uganda, the pans are always in a circular form. So this is my glass, the one I'm going to use. And I just do like this. and I do my pans. You see how they've come out very well? So of course after you do like this, you separate them and you put them on the tray. So let's do our last batch and then we start frying. So of course we are done. Now we are going to start frying. To this other one because I felt like the other one was not going to make it happen so easily. So that's how I test for my oil to see whether it's okay or it's ready to be used. So that's me putting in my pancakes, and by this time I was salivating. Oh my god. As you're seeing, they're already turning golden brown. Let me try changing them. They are ready. So we are removing them. You're going to test, yes. We're going to test Daniel. So guys, we are done, and those are our pancakes. So hi guys, yeah, this is how we make pancakes in Uganda. So these are our pancakes, and I'm calling the testers to come and test the pancakes. So we have Daniel and we have come and test the pancakes and tell me. Now the one who has made them, so eat. Alright, I'm just to pick one and eat and tell me how do they taste. I eat it.
You're being funny.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
How is it?
It's sweet.
It is sweet.
Oh my god! Wow!
Thank you so much. You can go back to what you were doing. Bye bye. So people, my testers have said it's sweet. In Uganda, the part of Africa.